Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh man, I'll tell you what, the Char-Griller Akorn, we're gonna do some pizza on here, on a pizza stone, on a Kamado. Keep on watching. All right, we got the Akorn all opened up. Let's take a look at the setup. Now, I've got a Vortex, and I really like using these in the Akorn. It just helps to concentrate the charcoal in one area, and I've got it inverted, so small side down, big side up. Our pizza stone right there is gonna fit on top of the grate, right on top of that, and I'm just gonna use some B&B lump in there, get that fired up, and give you a look-see. Now, if you're wondering what I'm using to get things going, this barbecue dragon, this thing works fantastic, folks. I'll leave the link down below, but this was less than 5 minutes, and you can see we got quite the fire going. All right, so here's what we're using for our pizza crust. Jiffy, this stuff has been around, well, since 1930. I've seen it in stores, and I've been using it for years. What I like about it is that it's a very forgiving dough to make, and it's not overly sticky, so it's easy to work with, and it just is all around good. So if you're looking for an easy pizza crust, folks, Jiffy. All right, so while our Jiffy dough sets, and that's the great thing about the Jiffy dough, only needs 5 minutes. So that's why I always get my charcoal going first. And you see we're at 350, slowly coming up. I want to get it up to about 425, 450, and then she'll be ready. All right, so there's our Jiffy dough. I tell you what, I get a little flour, and all I do is sprinkle a little bit of flour, and I just work it with my fingers. I'm no pizza expert here, folks, so I'm just going to form myself a nice sized, try and make it as circular as I can. Meanwhile, the grill is doing real good. We're definitely a little over 400 degrees. And we'll get our sauce on here. And then I'm just putting some pepperoni on here, some cheese, and some mushrooms. I don't have no onions, so otherwise I'd have onions on here too. So give you a look-see. All right, sauce is on, and this is where I like to pepper it. Give it a little good dose of pepper. All right, we got mozzarella cheese, canned mushrooms. I don't know what it is about canned mushrooms. I just love them on pizza. And a little bit of pepperoni, and then just a little bit of cheese on top of all that. And we're ready. See you over at the grill. All right, there it is. Let's get it on. Just like that, give you a look-see. This won't take long. All right, let's take a quick look-see. Oh yeah, looking nice. Give it a quick little spin. Keep her down. You can see it's bubbling up. It won't be long. All right, here's a tip. If you've got your stone too hot, like I just did, and that's operator error on my point, what I did was I took my aluminum peel and put it underneath to protect everything and let the rest of it cook. You can see that's nicely done right now. So we're ready here. So give you a look-see. Oh man, that's some nice looking pizza. Let's take that. Oh, look at that. It stands up right by itself. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'll tell you what, I am hungry. And you know what? The flour burns a little bit, but that is still delicious. And you know, a lot of people say you should use cornmeal. Cornmeal works too, so that'll help. It won't burn as much, but you know, you just gotta be careful. I got things a little bit too hot today, but this pizza is still very good, very good. Thumbs up, leave a comment as always, folks. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.